Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Mom and Sir. I am Romilin Ilocri Inot, 39 years of age from Sambuanguita, Negros Oriental. I have one child, 5 years old, and he is a boy. I graduated my last Bachelor of Science and Industrial Technology last 2008, and then I taking also a vocational course, caregiver. I graduated last 2022.
Are you single or married?
I am single, not married.
Do you have live-in partner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I do have I am an ex abroad. My first job in Taiwan was a machine operator at Chipmos Technology Incorporated at Tainan, Taiwan. 2013 to 2016. And my second job in Taiwan was in Chongli, Taiwan. I do 2017 to 2019. As upper in the recent experience here in the Philippines, I am a caregiver, which is I got my first patient here in the Philippines when I graduated at last 2022. My first patient here is 97 years old, elderly. She is Alzheimer's disease, and she is totally deteriorated and an inactive patient.
Okay, so how many brother and sisters do you have?
I have two siblings, one brother and one sister. I am the youngest of the family.
Why do you want to come in Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family.
Who will take care of your kids when you work in Hong Kong?
My mother or my husband can take care of my child here.
Okay, if you work in Hong Kong and then if you feel homesick, how can you avoid it?
If I feel homesick there in Hong Kong, I want to focus on my work, and as I treat my client as my own family, and I tell myself that my child and my family back home needs money.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No,
Do you have any allergy?
no.
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
What, sir?
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in Hong Kong, can you promise that to loan in money?
Yes, sir.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi, my future employer. Please accept me as your helper because I am honest, cheerful, helpful to others, and I'm willing to learn. And I promise that I finish my 2 years contract there. And also, I treat you as my own family, hoping for your positive feedback.
Thank
Thank
you. See you in
you.
Hong Kong.
Salamat, sir.